This guy fired YouTube with just 4 videos and got million with these 4 videos. If you observe his voice closely, you'll notice that it doesn't sound like a regular generated AI voice. His voice is, well, unique, which is why he didn't face any monetization issues. Isaac achieved 110K follower by masterpiece editing, but the first step is his voice. Listen. If you don't familiar with this guy, but you want to make passive income through video content on YouTube or TikTok, this is the video for you. Just give me a few minutes. I'll show you the tips that take your video into the next level. All right, first, to copy the success of Isaac, we need to know how to generate an AI voice like his. Well, it's very easy. No voice editing tool is needed. Everything can be done with AI online. It's still 11 Lab, but not generate directly. The first step is to get a unique AI voice. Actually, you don't have to do this, but this one will make your voice be special and remarkable. Head over to 11 Labs and generate a custom voice from the Voice Lab tab. Pick middle-aged male voice and turn the accent strength around 80. Listen, in the first few tries, you might not get the results you're looking for. So keep trying and find a good voice. But what is a good voice? Pay attention, the key is find a voice deep but also fast. Because people are born to believe people with deep voices like
that you will be making more than people who have 4-year degrees.
Woman, I am the cavalry.
With all 6 stones, I could simply snap my fingers.
Well, after this, add your script and select the recently generated voice. But before you click generate, go to the settings and make some changes. Listen, stability, similarity, and style exaggeration is not important. Let's choose another model. It's my personal tip, and nobody knows this yet. Shh. Pick this 11 English Fee1 version. The system will let you switch to the newest one, but ignore this. Just turn your stability and similarity to very low number, like 8%, and then click generate till you will hear the voice with breath and full of emotion. Like this. It's amazing. I know. But it's just the first step for today's Isaac editing.
Now we have a unique AI voice like Isaac's. So what's the next step?
The background music he changed again and again, or a memorable avatar. Even though all of these factors matter, there is still something very important that I'm ignoring. What's this? Let me think. My favorite faceless YouTuber, Isaac, digital product income, and how to AI. They have different styles, but also make millions during the past year. So what's the same part between these accounts? They all have excellent digital skills, of course. But if we think a little deeper, let me compare their video hooks. Look, they all use the same video flowchart. Isaac Digital Income Project and How to AI, they all use this flowchart in their hook. All right, now, all we need to do is find how to make this kind of flowchart. But I don't even have enough storage to download After Effects or Premiere Pro. You can't believe what I found. This amazing online tool can generate exactly the same video of these faceless YouTube channels. No any editing skill needed. I can generate this kind of video flowchart online. Just go to Auto AE Online and choose this video flowchart hook and click Customize, and then paste your script here. Click Preview. Everything is perfect. Now, just download. Just one clip to take your YouTube channel to the next level. Good news, it's free with a watermark, but for a no watermark version, it's affordable. Just $9.90 for access to 100 customized videos. So less than 10 cents per video. Thank you, dude. Love you. So now the question is, how Isaac fills the next blank part. I know! The next step is make you avatar live. Listen, you can use an AI avatar who can move the mouth like me. But listen, body figure can really express emotion. Yes, the key of Isaac's video is emotion. The AI voice with emotion, the body figure with emotion. So even though Isaac is a faceless avatar, nobody knows who he is still remarkable, like Otli Abdal or Iman Gadze. So, all we need to do is open Canva and replace the head of these copy-free images. I did have a method to bulk generate these kind of avatar. If you are interested, leave comment bulk. If I got 10 comments, I'll show it in next videos. All right, it's almost finished, but we still need something. Let me think. I know! Every moment of Isaac's video is moving. Look, even a single image, it's a 3D version. So we are going to turn these boring B-rolls into an animated version. Go back to Auto AE. Choose this 3D transform effect, upload video, and now everything is done.
Wait, you forgot the text animation?
Oh shit. Let's go back to CapCut. Everything can be done in this free app. Click here to auto-generate captions according to your AI voice, and then turn the text format to this black and white version. The most important thing, you don't need subtitle everywhere. Just put it in some place where you want to highlight the content. Also, don't forget to add animation to the subtitles. Now you get the recipe for an Isaac-style video! Even though I am talking all about Isaac in this video, all the tips can be used in your creation. They also work in TikTok or YouTube Shorts. As the secret of editing skill in this kind of faceless video is animation. So, all my tips is tell you how to animate easier. Just follow my steps. First, create AI voice in 11 Lab. Customize, and then don't forget to use the right model. Then create a flowchart hook in Auto AE. Make your video attractive and also clear. Next, bulk create these kinds of avatar in Canva and fills in the blank part of the video. Then turn B-roll to 3D version in Auto AE. Animate every stable clip in the video. Final step, don't forget to add animated subtitles in CapCut. Okay, that's it for today's video. Do let me know your feedback. Like this video if you think it helped you even a tiny bit. Leave your favorite YouTuber in the comment. I'll find the success formula from them. Best of luck to all of you on your video journey.